What's up traders, this is Deviation Hunter, and in this video I will show you how to make your MT4 behave same way as the Tradingview, right? So basically why we like the Tradingview, because we are not always forced like by the MT4 that our chart is somehow, you know, presented to us and squeezed, right? Like I show you here, let's say on this GBP cat, I just choose this pair because if this move didn't happen yet in here, and let's say we are right now in this range, how our chart would be looking? It would be looking like this, right? It would be here on the top, but we see a bullshit if what levels are up there, right? So that's why we prefer the Tradingview, because we can always move it like this, you know, and we see the potential levels above, you know, for the trading. But I got a fix for you. I will show you this fix, how to make MT4 look like and behave like a Tradingview. So it's this magic button. Right now let me show you. I'm going to click on it and look what I can do right now. I can simply move my chart same like on the Tradingview, right? So then I can see the levels from where I could take a trade, you know, like that. So it's basically a previous days, previous week level, which is as well the part of this template. Then if I want to reset the chart, I simply click the button again and it will behave same like the MT4, right? So like this, I can simply move it, you know, to check the chart, to check the history, check the levels above without the squeezing and changing the time frame. So I have perfect view and I can simply set it up basically exactly to the middle of the chart, where is it easier to trade, you know, and see perfectly the levels above and below, right, which is more comfortable.